When patients ask me, Dr. Chris, is it okay that I crack my back on my own? First of all, I don't know what that means. That could be a lot of different things. And here's my answer. If you're forcefully doing something to get a joint to move, creating that cracking sound, that's probably not good, because anything that has the potential to do good has the potential to do harm. But if you're doing normal stretches and mobility things like stretching your neck and you feel some popping or cracking, that's totally normal. That just means those joints are moving properly. Some patients even tell us after starting to see a chiropractor that their spine starts to crack more. What that means is where your joints used to be locked up and fixated, now they're starting to move properly. Totally okay, it's even a good thing.